Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Crypto Defi Wallet full guide. Start by choosing non-custodial wallets for full control and learn basic terms. Always back up your seed phrase offline and never share it. Fund your wallet with a small test amount before large transfers and confirm network fees. Use hardware wallets for large holdings and enable two-factor and biometric locks when available to add extra protection. Create your wallet using the official app or browser extension and record the seed phrase immediately on paper. Store that paper in a safe, offline location separate from your devices. Add a strong passphrase and enable biometric or PIN protection for daily use. Practice restoring the wallet on another device with your seed to ensure backups work, and avoid cloud backups for the unencrypted seed phrase. When interacting with Defi, always begin with a small test transaction to confirm everything behaves as expected. Review smart contract permissions closely and revoke excessive allowances when not needed. Keep an eye on gas fees and choose appropriate networks to save costs. Stick to reputable dApps, use limit or slippage controls on swaps, and consider hardware wallets when approving high-value transactions for an extra security layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.